So they charged me 4 million dong for my kiteboard equipment. That was more money than the plane ticket itself. It sucks. Thank you. Hello.
Please remain the clear seatbelt fastened and do not open the overhead lockers.
Just made it to Bangkok, Thailand. Heading to go get my bags. I think I know where I'm going. Yeah, get to the Airbnb and check out the surroundings. I have no idea what I'm doing. 25-minute walk. Wow. Fuck. She will do. Thank you. It's called the Rock Hotel. Finally made it. Well, that was an intense walk with that thing behind. Let's go check out Bangkok.
Hello, this is my brother. Yeah, and this is our restaurant, Swaitari Ibrahim restaurant. If you come, you can come. If you come, please visit our restaurant. Yeah, thank. What about our food? You already eat one time.
I'm glad I came in. It was excellent.
Guys, come. Hope to see you soon. Oh, this is Sadiq Khan.
No,
I'm a caller. Yeah, if you come, hope to see you. Keep rocking.
my hotel's like right in the center. It's like marketplace. This place starts to pop right around 5. Got an abundance of coax cable up there. Fresh fruit. You cook these up? Tabasco sauce. Okay, pretty good. Looks like the packed. Lower level I didn't even see. This place is huge. Google Maps says I have 12 more minutes of walking until I get to the market. I guess I'm in Thailand's biggest wet market, so let's take a look around. Buy a bag of frogs. Get a bag of bugs. Are they good? I shouldn't eat one. Rub. Crickets. Time to pack it up again. Got a ticket out of Bangkok tomorrow to Koh Sumi, which is an island down here. I heard the island's pretty cool, and it looks like there could be wind down there in the next couple days, and it's not tucked up so much up in the bay up here. If there isn't any wind, there's stuff to do around the island and in this general area around here, so we will see.